Hello, this is Anya. I've made the C++ program for implementation of linked list data structures. In this, first I've declared all the header files which were required for this program to work. Then I have declared a structure node, and in it I have declared two variables, that is data, and one pointer variable, that is link, whose data type is node, that is the name of the structure. Then after this I have declared an object, that is star head. There is a pointer variable that I am declaring it globally, so I will not declare it again and again, and I am declaring it null in the beginning, and it will change in the program wherever the change will occur. Now void function is declared overhead, void insert front, and I have created a new node, and I'm asking the user to insert data, and I'm checking for empty and non-empty conditions both, that is head equal to new data, and new node of link will be equal to null. Because it's empty, so it will be checking for empty condition, and it will be it will be entering the data in the first link only, or else it will find the head as to be the temp, and the new node will be pointing towards the new head. And then I have defined the insert in it I have again made a new node, that is start in, and I'm checking for a null condition. If it's null, then head will be equal to temp, or else I declared another pointer variable, that is last, and I'm checking last of link, and it's not equal to link. That if it's true, then last will be equal to last of link, and last of link will be equal to temp. So as data will be inserted at the end of the list. Now I have defined this function insert middle, and then I'm first declaring a variable int n for the node to be entered, and then I am declaring two pointer variables temp and prerev, and I'm making the temp as to be the new node in which data will be inserted, and I'm pointing the temp to data. It will check the list is empty condition, and it will come out of this if loop, and it will by printing listings empty, and the only data will be temp of data. The print the full sentence that is given in the cout line, and then if it's not true, then it will come out, and it will ask for the enter node number, and previous head, and previous will be equal to head. It will go to this for loop will run, and it will go to n-1. I will be iterated, and prev of length equal to null. The node does not exist, or else where prev will be equal to prev of link, and out of the for loop it will be printing temp of it will be initializing temp of link equal to prev of link, and prev of link equal to temp. Now it's given void delete front. I'm defining it over here, and I'm making a new node, and deleted element will be head of data, or else head will I'm checking the condition for the list to be empty, and if it's not empty, then temp will be equal to head, and head will be equal to head of link, and temp will be deleted. Then I'm defining over here the function delete at end. Over here I'm declaring two pointer variables prev and last, and both I am declaring as head, and head I'm checking for list is empty condition if head equal to null and list is empty, or else if last of link equal to null, then cout the from back deleted element is last of data, head equal to null, delete last. If these both conditions are not true, then else condition will work, and while last of link is not equal to null will be checked. If it's true, then prev equal to prev will be equal to last, and last will be equal to last of link. And if it will be not be true, then it will be printed cout from back deleted element as last of data, enter. insert link equal to null, delete last. Now I am inserting the function delete middle, in which I am defining it over here, and I'm checking for head empty condition, that is head equal to null. It is true, then less is empty, and I am declaring a variable int n, and then I'm asking for a node number in which the node number for which the elements will be deleted, and I'm declaring two pointer variables over here, temp equal to 8 and fib equal to 8. I'm checking for the first node. If the node which the user added is 1, so the first condition, the first element will be deleted, and delete front will be called as we have declared it before. And for loop is going on over here for I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. If it's then this for loop will run, and if none equal to node does not exist. As equal to temp equal to temp of link. Temp of link, when it will come out of the loop, it will be initializing fib of link equal to temp of link. So our deleted data is temp of data under delete temp. Now display condition is has been declared over here. Node of start temp equal to head. If head equal to null, then less is empty, or while temp not equal to 1, here temp of data space temp of link. Over here int main condition is being checked. I will bring my bring it down. Okay, over here there's in this int name, we have given a menu driven program, that is insert middle, delete branch and all, and we've checked for every option using else if conditions, and for user to make it more user friendly, we are asking for the user to run it again and again using a do while loop over here, and we are running it again and again by the help of the user. Now I'll show you by running it. So insert 3 y insert front 4. It will be given as, now if I will print, it will be given as 4 3. Look, it came 4 3. I told you. Then y insert end 7. Now if I'll ask for printing this, it will give 4 3 7. 4 3 7. Now y, again I am giving it insert into 3. Let's say enter data to be inserted 6, enter node number 2. So if I ask for again printing the variables, so it will give 4 2 3 7, 4 6 3 7, sorry, it gives 6. So now y, select the operation, delete. Now we'll use the delete functions, and the deleted element is 4, that is the first element. Okay, and now read from, now I'm showing you by running it. Look, 4 got deleted. Now y, deleted end, the element deleted is 7, that is the last element. Now I'll show you by running it. 7 got deleted. Now it's asking for the node number, so we'll first insert one node number as 3, and then we will ask the user to will ask for 6 middle, node number is 2, 6 is deleted by. succeeded now because we inserted 3 and will pass will be recurring 3 3 3. So the program is running well as per it was given. I told you that implementation of linked list, it's giving all the implementation of the linked list, that all the operations are linked list in program. Thank you for watching this video.